friend are gonna put on an axle back exhaust on his 370Z. We're gonna go pick up the parts right now and see you guys whenever we get there. Alright, so my buddy got here, his 370. We got his axle back of here. We're about to put that shit on. They're gonna look good. I'm gonna go. These fit right under the stock exhaust, and they're gonna look good. So we got a custom exhaust going on here. Don't worry about these. That's so it can push the exhaust out higher. It gives it more downforce when it hits your shield right here.
That's a special package.
It hooks the wheels down. This fucker's fast, man.
200 extra imaginary horsepower.
It's fire, man.
Don't get your panties in
Custom
the bunch.
exhaust from Rue Racing over here.
Only race for Noodles and company.
It's yours. You bought it. Well, let's check these out. So he going from exhaust elite to high quality top speed Pro 1. Look how clean it is. You can pick these up at conceptzperfomance. Not sponsored.
Not sponsored. This shit is beautiful.
It's gonna look good right here. Alright, what side is it? Right now. He dipped it. He dipped it.
Right. Can I get one of them? Oh, I was about to say, man.
What?
Wow!
Want one?
I want one of them, man.
Coming up.
Right on up.
Rue Racing exclusive, right?
Rue Racing.
Ready?
I'm ready. Jesus.
I don't want to scare the white folk. Go back to the storage unit. And we got to get some exhaust hangers because we took them off for weight reduction purposes.
More aerodynamic.
Yeah, it's. Don't ask. Because you don't want to know. Hey,
Is that a fucking
people having babies out here.
out here
Shit.
next to your shit? 'Cause
Fucking
you
next-
got a baby maker
Next to
out
my car. I don't care. I forgot I gotta use the key to open it.
here. Oh yeah, we've been spoiled.
I forgot. It like, hey, when you sit in here, it'll bring you back. It's going.
Back to 92.
Yeah, you're going back. It's like when you smell this car, it's gonna hit your face, bro. You're gonna be like, oh shit. You smoke weed in one of these car smells.
Oh, oh.
Yeah, you don't get that. That's like,
You living life. Hold on. Got the vanilla. Oh. Yeah, this is definitely I went through a box of Newports at an early age in this car. Now what I got here? Hold on. Make sure don't nobody's.
you're gonna scare that old man.
All right. Oh yeah.
These are straight from Japan.
Oh, this is important stuff you can't find nowhere else.
Mm-mm.
Like this little rubber piece. Oh, look at that. Titanium. Titanium.
You can do that thing, bro.
You got that Pokemon?
Oh, that's a washman. I was like, what the fuck is this?
Oh
thing?
yeah.
Look like some homeless man. Fuck this.
Hey, maybe I have rub days. I
Yeah.
have rub days.
Yeah.
You know, I'm not homeless, but maybe I did use it.
You know, sometimes I like to pretend.
So I got all kinds of stuff here, man. You pick your poison, I got it. Let me make it look pretty for you. Look at that. What you mean right there?
You look like a crackhead right there.
Hey, $5.
Is this your house?
Well, come on in.
You got a couch in there?
I got a couch, muffler.
Oh my god.
I even got a can of beans.
Stay in school. This is what crack does, motherfuckers. Hold on. We got back. Beater's back. 2 370s. He excited. He about to get his shit on. We got the hangers. So I'm gonna put that in first and then we'll start doing the rest of it.
Hey.
Hey.
What, yeah. God, shit.
Alright, so we just got the axle back put on. So that's what it looked like. Mind you, we did this with Walmart tools, so don't judge it too bad. Right here, all the way back. He got the Nismo mid-pipe, so looks good. So we're gonna turn it on. See how it sounds.
Oh, you want some of that?
I want some of that bang.
You want some bang, bro?
Finish installing his axle back. We're gonna do an exhaust comparison between an axle back with Nismo pipes, mid-pipe, and catalytic converters, and then mine, which is a DNA catback with top speed test pipes. We're gonna do exhaust rev comparison. Enjoy the video, and that should give you an idea if you guys are looking for an exhaust. I might order a brand new catback. I got long tube headers on the way, and we'll do exhaust installation video on that too, and some sound clips. All right, peace out.